Does federation make sense without relay? A lot of people who really like to use GraphQL, I think they are not just like, hey, I really like to use GraphQL, but it's more like, I really love relay, and because of that, I'm using GraphQL. Let's say you are like a big company like Meta or Coinbase or whatever, and you have teams of people, and everybody changes UI components over time. It means that data dependencies for UI components, they change all the time, and nobody knows like a complete map of like a complete tree of everything. You are deep down in the tree, you change that one component, you remove a field or you add something, and now you need to go through 5 layers of UI components to manually figure out, do we really need this field or don't we? Like removing a field from a fragment, it's not a breaking change if nobody's using it, but you need to know who's using the fields. So you need to hoist up all the fragments and see, are we using it? Are we not using it? If you don't have relay, you cannot do this, and relay can only work with a query language that allows you to have selections on the tree. So yeah, you need GraphQL to do that.